Zakir Naik has been invited by the host Qatar in the FIFA World Cup 2022. Zakir will deliver religious sermons in Qatar during the entire tournament. Zakir Naik is accused of making inflammatory speeches and spreading hatred in India. BJP spokesperson Savio Rodriguez has expressed displeasure over Zakir being invited to the FIFA World Cup. Along with this, he has appealed to the Government of India, Indian football associations and Indians travelling to Qatar to boycott the FIFA World Cup. Zakir Naik has fled from India and has been living in Indonesia for many years. There is an arrest warrant against him in India. Upset over his invitation to the FIFA World Cup, Rodriguez said in a statement that at a time when the world is grappling with terrorism, giving a platform to Naik amounts to promoting terrorism to spread hatred. Australia's parliament passed the bilateral free trade agreements with India on Tuesday, the country's Prime Minister said in a tweet. The trade agreement is crucial for Australia to diversify its exports from the Chinese market to India and forge bilateral relations. The bills were easily passed by the House of Representatives on Monday and the Senate made them law on Tuesday. Australia Trade Minister Don Farrell said that India has demonstrated its commitment to the bilateral economic partnership through the quality of the deal struck. Earlier, Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese had discussed the deal with Prime Minister Narendra Modi last week on the sidelines of the Group of 20 summit in Indonesia. Albanese had then said that he would visit India in March to advance the deal that was signed in April. In a new twist to the Satyendra Jain jail massage controversy, which has dismantled Kejriwal's physiotherapy defense, sources report that the person administering massage on Jain was not a physiotherapist. Furthermore, he has been identified as a rape accused too. Jailed Delhi Minister Satyendra Jain, who was criticized over the viral CCTV video inside the Tihar, was being given a massage by an accused in the rape case, the official sources claimed on Tuesday. The Tihar jail official sources claimed that the prisoner identified as Rinku was not a physiotherapist and has been charged under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences, that is the POCSO Act 2012. This comes a day after Delhi Chief Minister denied BJP's allegations of Jain being given a massage inside the jail and claimed that it was physiotherapy. In a major crackdown on the infiltration attempt along the Jammu and Kashmir international border, a Pakistani intruder was shot dead and another one was arrested on Tuesday, that is November 22, 2022, as the Border Security Force foiled their separate attempts to infiltrate into the Indian side from across the international border in Jammu and Kashmir. A BSF spokesperson further informed that the infiltration attempts were scuttled by the alert troops in Anya sector of Jammu and Ramgarh sector in Sambha district in the early hours of the day. The BSF troops reportedly opened fire on a Pakistani intruder when he was noticed aggressively approaching towards the border fence in Anya sector, and he was hence shot dead. He was challenged to stop, but he did not pay any heed. Finding no other alternative, the troops fired and killed him, the spokesperson informed. The BSF officer further said that the area has been cordoned off and a search operation is underway.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.